go to school.
Hello, hello! Si Rere, di siya gusto mag-eskwelahan. Di siya gusto mag-eskwela. You better go to the school this year so that you can learn the lesson. You know how to read your name. Write your name.
No,
Why?
I know how to write my name.
Si Rere, do you want to go to school?
Yuck.
Huh? How old are you?
2.
Two. You're ready? 2.5. Awan na. July mga mag-3. Hapit na ka mag 3 years old. Kuan? Rere? June man din na sa June. Mag 3 years old na rin siya karong June, guys. Magkuan daw sila ano ba yun? Mag-celebrate. Mag-celebrate daw sila. Aywan ko kung saan sila mag-celebrate. Dito ba sa bahay o sa outside the embassy? Rio, come here.
No.
Come here. You tell the story.
No.
You have a story in the Bible? In the Bible stories? Why do not get that? Ay. Oh, wala. Nag-away na po na. Oh, away na po sila, guys. Nag-away na po sila. You give it to it. Mag-away sila duha. Bye.